Okay, so ages of students, they selected a random sample of the campus dining hall to make it random. That's what the problem states. Random sample of students, they got it from the campus dining hall. Just by looking at the data, if someone asked you, what is the average age, what would you say? Take a guess, just the average. 19, it's 17. Well, what is a mode? Mode. 70, like most frequent observation, 17. And 19. And both of them repeat 5 times. So 1, 2, 3. No, 19 is just 4.
No, it's 5.
Is it 5?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. 5. So 19, 17, but average, I'll say maybe 18.7. I don't know, we will see. It's close to 19 anyways. Just by looking at it, we kind of know the average. Do you think that there is a lot of variability in student ages? Yes or no? No. Most of the observations are about 17, 21, so not much variability at all, which is true. In this classroom, majority of you are 18, 19 years old, or 17. I don't know, but less variability. So I entered all the data, all the observations in this one. How did we find the mean? Do we remember?
Admin and then divide.
Yes, that's like working hard. The easy way, using the calculator. Once we enter the data, what do?
You press start again and then you go.
You press start again and then do what?
Then 12 and then
What's your name?
Nadine.
Nadine? Nadine did the homework and none of you did it. Or she pays attention. One large stance L1, if it is the newer version of the calculator, you put L1 in less, skip the freight part, hit calculate. Enter. Look at that, 19. So the average is 19. The standard deviation, Sx, that is the sample standard deviation. And that value is 1.863. Right below Sx, you will see sigma x, sideways 6x. That is the population standard deviation. Good. The sample standard deviation is 1.8637. The population standard deviation is 1.846. With me so far. Okay. The minimum is 17, the maximum is 23. And 23 minus 17 is 6. So the range is not that great, but we know the deviation is about 1.86. As far as this class is concerned, we are going to use the sample standard deviation the most, 99% of the time. Okay, so the sample standard deviation for the ages happens to be 1.864. I want to know the variance. How would we find the variance? I left this over here intentionally.
Square it.
Square it, why?
Because
Got it right.
Because the variance square root is the same.
Exactly. So the square root of variance is standard deviation. So if you square on both sides, you would get variance. So variance is simply 1.864. or something.
3.47.
You see how easy that was? Of course, you can say and plug it in that formula and get the answer. Nothing wrong, but we have a lot of observations. You create a giant table, square it, divide it. Too much work. But like, yes, any questions? Okay.